Now, couple of cool things about the tortoise here. This is a tortoise, not a
Their minds
turtle.
are like sponges as 4- and 5-year-olds.
Now you can
But
go
these
ahead and
Memorial
pet his
Elementary
shell.
pre-K
You
students
can pet
are
his leg and
benefiting
feet,
from a
and if you
school
do
trip
so
to the
very
Valley
carefully,
Nature
you
Center
can even
where
pet the
they
top
see
of
what
his
they've
head.
learned come
This
to
is one
life.
of those that you
We
can-
were talking about animals, insects, spiders, everything, and nature. So we thought, what a great idea for them just to explore.
The scholars are excited and engaged with some fun activities. But the most attractive part occurs outside where they get to see the breathtaking scenery of the woods. A place so peaceful and relaxing.
They get to touch, smell, feel, and just know what it's like to be
All the way
outside.
down, I'll be holding the head, so you guys have nothing to be afraid of.
One of the stations is a sit-down session with one of the most feared reptiles on our planet, a snake.
I'll hold the head like I
While
said.
many find snakes creepy like yours truly, these pre-K students are fascinated as they see one up close and even get to pet him.
He's just super
The snake's so soft like a blanket.
A good example of these as well.
Memorial
besides the shell
Elementary
that you're
preschoolers
touching,
discovered
are
quite
the
a bit.
bony structures
It's
of
events like this
alligators
which
and
help a young
crocodiles,
mind
the
grow
little spikes
in
on
their
back.
education and
Those
something
are
they will
also
never forget.
If you just sit in the classroom and give them a lesson, they're
You
not
can go
going
ahead
to
and
really
pet her.
comprehend
But she's
until they
super
actually
friendly.
see it.
They're like little dogs, little puppies.
4K West TV, I'm Mike Gonzalez.
Yeah, it's actually not. You gonna see it stick out his tongue right now?